If you've been looking into Slenderiiz Skinny Drops, you've probably seen the glowing claims. Two unique blends of homeopathic drops taken before meals that promise to control appetite, speed up metabolism, target stubborn fat, and even detox your body. They market it as a natural, safe, and effective weight loss solution, with thousands of success stories from all over the world. According to their site, it's supposed to help you lose weight twice as fast as diet and exercise alone, all while fitting easily into your busy lifestyle. But once you dig a little deeper, the shine starts to wear off. The biggest problem? There's no real scientific evidence backing up their claims. The company even states at the bottom of its website that these statements haven't been evaluated by the FDA, and the product isn't meant to treat, cure, or prevent any disease. In other words, there's no solid proof these drops work, and that should be a red flag for anyone spending serious money on them. The website also shows glowing reviews with before and after photos, but there's no proof the people in those photos actually used Slenderiiz. In fact, some of the same images appear on other sites selling completely different products. On Reddit, people who have tried similar drops say the weight loss comes from following an extremely low-calorie diet, often around 500 to 1,200 calories a day, not from any special ingredients in the drops. And as many pointed out, once they went back to eating more normal portions, the weight came back quickly, sometimes with a rebound effect that made it even harder to lose in the future. Some users have also reported side effects like anxiety, mood changes, and even hair loss. Others questioned the safety of certain ingredients and noted that there's very little transparency about exactly what's inside or how much of each ingredient you're getting. And since the product isn't regulated, there's no guarantee of consistency or quality. At the end of the day, any drastic calorie restriction will make you lose weight, but that doesn't make a supplement magical, or even necessary. The risk of side effects, the lack of credible research, and the questionable marketing practices make this one you might want to think twice about before trying. If you're serious about long-term healthy weight loss, it's hard to beat the old-fashioned combination of balanced eating, regular activity, and professional guidance. No mystery drops required.